Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get stars on your dragons in Dragon City. Empowering your dragons is a crucial step to making them incredibly powerful in battles. It significantly boosts their health, attack, and overall combat effectiveness. We'll cover everything you need to know, from gathering the necessary resources to the actual empowerment process, ensuring your dragons reach their full potential. Let's dive into the details of how to achieve those impressive star levels. To empower your dragons, you'll primarily need dragon orbs. These precious resources can be acquired through several methods within the game. Look out for special events and quests that often reward specific dragon orbs. Recalling duplicate dragons to the Tree of Life is a reliable way to gain their orbs. Trading with your alliance members is also a fantastic way to get the exact orbs you need. Don't forget to check the daily calendar and participate in arena battles for additional orb opportunities. Once you have gathered enough orbs, the empowerment process is straightforward. Go to the dragon you wish to empower and select the Empower button. You will need a specific quantity of orbs for that particular dragon. For instance, reaching the first star typically requires 120 orbs. Each subsequent star level will demand a greater number of orbs, with a total of 2,000 orbs needed for a full 5-star empowerment. This process permanently enhances your dragon's abilities. Empowering your dragons brings immense benefits to your gameplay. Each star level dramatically increases your dragon's health and attack statistics, making them formidable opponents. For example, a 5-star legendary dragon can gain nearly 200% more health and attack than its unempowered counterpart. These higher star levels also increase a dragon's maximum achievable level to 70, which is crucial for dominating in competitive arenas and completing challenging events. These powerful dragons are key to advancing through the game and achieving top-tier status.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.